Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tiffany, and if this is your first time here clicking on my videos or seeing my face, welcome. Happy motherfucking new year. 2020's out here, gone, dead. 2021 better come in. She better act right. 2021, let me tell you something. You better act right. Don't come here cutting up. Don't come here acting stupid. Don't come here doing none of that. Act right, period, okay? But anyway, today's video, if you can't tell by the title, is going to be a full face Fenty beauty. So with the exception of like 3 or 4 things, everything on my face, like base, eyes, brows, is all Fenty. So get into it. She's looking good. She's looking great. She had her a little bit of drinky drink while she was filming the video. She feeling good, for real, like feeling good, like she was a little bit. But yeah, if you guys, first of all, if you aren't subscribed, I think it's right here. I think it's right here. Hit the subscribe button. Don't be fake, boo. But if you already are and you ain't got nothing else to do besides watch the video, because your girl coming for you in 2K21, okay? Then make sure you stay tuned and see how I got this look. I feel like I'm a little ashy, but disregard because that really doesn't matter. So I went to Sephora to pick up the rest of the stuff that I needed for my full face Fenty beauty. So I think the only things I don't have is a blush and maybe a highlighter, because I really don't know where my highlighter is from Fenty, because it was a mini one. So let's be honest, I probably lost it, but who cares? So in my last video, the little squeaking that you guys are gonna hear in the background ever so often, I was told that it's probably my fire what the hell is it called, smoke detector. So let's disregard. I think it's just this one in here, but I don't never have no fires going on here, so I mean, we're just gonna ignore it and we're gonna move past it, okay? So I did pick up a primer because, you know, I had the mini of the other primer and I also got the mini of this primer. Okay, I got the soft silk. Come out, damn. Okay, so I got the soft silk, the same bottle basically as the soft matte. Isn't that what the first one is called? So I'm just going to, okay, gotta get a little juicy. I'm just gonna put some of it on my face. I got the mini of this too because I didn't know if I was gonna like it, and I didn't want to have a big one because I don't never really get, I feel like this is a hydrating primer. What does it say? What does it say? It says instant hydration, soft silk finish, extended makeup wear. Okay, so I never really get hydrating, I'm about to say concealers, hydrating primers, and this is a hydrating primer, so we're going to see what's good. So I'm gonna highlight under my skin. What the hell? I have a little bit to drink. I'm filming this on New Year's Eve. I'm gonna try to put it up tomorrow on New Year's Day. She's got a little bit to drink. She got her some Grey Goose. Honey, I'm probably gonna make me another drink so I can have it whilst I film this video for you guys. But I'll get back to you guys on that. So if you see me with a cup, just know that is what's in my cup. It's not any water. But I'm 26, I'm grown. Okay, I'm grown. I can buy my own liqueur. Okay, I can do it. So let me drink in peace. My children are in bed. It's after midnight while I'm filming this. So let's pray that I get my life together tomorrow. In enough time so that I can edit and get this together for you guys. So I'm gonna use my espresso matchstick. So the last time I actually, look at that. What the fuck is that? The last time I actually did a full face Fenty, I did my makeup way different than I do it right now. So this is gonna kind of be an experience because I've never done my makeup how I'm going to do it for you guys today with a full face with Miss Rihanna. So we're gonna see how it goes. Okay, so I did pick up a new concealer finally in the same color that I had. So it's in 410. So nothing talk about. I already used this. She already loves this. And what the hell is that? And I've been meaning to pick up a new one, so boom, I got the, what is this called? Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer, a bay or whatever. And I'm just going to place it right here. I'm not gonna put any on like the sides of my nose. I'm just gonna blend it up there. That's correct. What the what? This is exactly why when I do my makeup to go places, I don't do it after I drink. I do it before, because like who really has time? Because who has time to be intoxicated and messing up their makeup, especially when they're going somewhere? Like, I'm not going nowhere right now. It's 1:15 in the morning, so we're starting the year off right. We're starting the year off right, okay? Just gonna blend this out. Did this concealer always dry down so quick? What is that? Was okay. I haven't used it in so long. I don't even know anymore. I don't know. Before I powder down, I'm going to do my brows, okay? So I'm going to be using the Brow MVP. I feel like it's over here. Oh, it's fine. I almost just knocked y'all over, but it's cool. I did not. We're going to regroup, okay? So I'm going to be taking, like I was saying, before I was really concerned by myself, I'm going to be taking the Brow MVP in medium brown, I believe. A little bit more, you know, up under mine, because I don't know if these concealers is going to clap back or what, and I don't want them to. So I'll put some, that, it's the bridge of my nose for me. It's the fucking fireworks for me. It's the fucking 4th of July, bitch. I need to chill the fuck out with that, alright? So I'm going to be taking the Snap Shadow. Which one did I get? I got Cadet, and yeah, I know the only palette I had other than this, because I just bought this today, was the Moroccan Spice. Did Brian buy that for me? Or did I buy it for myself? Brian buy that for me? Brian bought it for me for a birthday present when it first came out. Oh shit. This is what the palette is looking like, and I was definitely drawn to this one because, like, look at the material. Look at the material here. Since I don't know how this is going to cut up, I'm going to go into my transition shade first. I'm going to go ahead and take this little tan shade right here. I do like that it has a mirror. Y'all don't care. These came out like a year ago. So I'm like the last person in America, or probably the world, to even use these. But nonetheless, it's my first time using them. So I'm just telling you guys what I'm experiencing so we can experience it together. Hey, how are ya? I need help. I need real help. This shade, like, it looks like it's not doing anything, but like I can see it doing something. Like, it's doing the bare minimum, but like it's doing something, you know? Like, it's barely showing. Like, it's showing up late, but she's showing up, you know what I mean? Like, y'all know what I mean. I don't even gotta explain it. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Or whatever. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay, do I want to do... I'm going to do this shade on the lid. But I'm going to take that, like... What type of green would y'all say this is? Like, fatigue green? I wore fatigues. I don't feel like this is the green that they are. But that's all that came to mind when I saw it, so... I didn't notice this eyeshadow the whole time, but that's a really cute color. So maybe I can switch my vibe a little bit because that is a cute color. This video should really be titled like I'm lit, let's do makeup, because I'm lit full face Fenty in honor of Rihanna. Hold on, Brock gotta put his foot in that drink. Oh, that's good. Okay, I see you, boo, because he don't have to make good drinks, like at all. At all. He doesn't make good drinks at all, okay? At all. Do I want to just do this green on the lid? No, I don't. Fuck am I? Who the fuck am I? I don't. I'm gonna take this brush I got in my last BoxyCharm because I canceled that. I like BoxyCharm, but they wasn't giving me what I needed. So this is the Luxie 237 blending brush. Excuse me. This is the brush. This one I'm about to be using, and oh, she has a lot of kickback. Hold on, let me see. Do y'all see that? Probably not. She got a lot of oh, but she got pigment. Oh! I wasn't prepared. I was not prepared. Okay, I don't know why I thought this hoe wasn't about to show up, but she did. And she showed up on time. My bad, sis. Do you have a name? Glamo Camo is what this is called, and she showed up. Okay, not mad at that. This is a good brush too. This is a really good brush. It's like not dense, but it gets the job done. Like, it's just fluffy enough, but not too fluffy. It reminds me of my Morphe M514. Yeah, I know what brush I'm talking about. The skinny brush. I have 3 of those. I love that brush. I don't know where it's at, but oh, she made points. Glamo Camo? I made points. She said 2021. She's not coming to play. This didn't just come out, but I'm just using it. So screw you guys. Just kidding. I'm not kidding. No problem. I'm just getting it. I like this. I thought that's blended out enough. So I am not going to cut my crease. I don't think. Do I want to leave this matte? I'm missing the nail and I cut my nails down. Do I want to leave this matte or do I want to shimmer? Hold on, let me see the matte. Let me see how the matte is showing up. And then I'll decide from there. Okay, so that matte, like whatever this is this supposed to be like a green? She's so, I don't know what the fuck it's supposed to be. But that shade down at the bottom looks like she like wants to make a point. So I'm just gonna plop her on the lid. Okay, she looks like she would make more of a point if I cut my crease. JK, I'm gonna pop some concealer, like some eyeshadow primer on there, and then I'm gonna pop that shade on my lid, and then I'll be right back because then the eyes will be done and we can regroup. Okay, I like this better. This is more of like, this is it. Okay, so I went ahead and set the rest of my face with Nutmeg. So now I'm going to go ahead and use my Sunstalker bronzer in Cocoa Nutty or whatever, and I'm just gonna plop this on. Since y'all already know how I feel about all the Fenty products that I have because I use them a lot, I don't really have much to say about it. Just wanted to tell you guys what I was using because sure you want to know. If you're here, sis, you want to know. And boop, 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 boop. Do y'all see what it's giving on the nose? It's giving, I can't breathe. It's giving, I'm hella dramatic because that's not what it's giving. But like I said, that's what it's giving, so that's what it's giving. That's what it's giving, period. I don't care. You're not about to convince me otherwise, poo. Not at all, okay? So I'm gonna set my face right now because I feel like we're at a good place. Oh, I did pop a little shimmer. What is it? Money Mission on my inner corner. So she could really clap back today. Hold on, psych. My skin look good. Psych, sis didn't try to clap back. Sis is trying to cooperate and go with the flow, okay? I'm gagging. My skin looks so good. I look so alive. She need to calm all that shit down, okay? I'm gonna use Soleil out of the Jackie Aina palette. It's not really important because it's not part of the palette, so just disregard. But that's just what I'm using. Oh, too much, too much, too much. Too much. But it's so pretty. No, this side went OD by itself. This side got a whole something different going on today. I don't know what that side got going on, but like, it's something different. I'm finna add a little bit more blush. I don't feel like that's relevant or even necessary, but like, I don't know. Okay, now that side kind of died down a lot. I OD with the setting powder, so I'm just going over my shadow and making sure it's in place. I have creasy lids, so I'm just tilting my head back to make sure when I'm looking, I'm not missing those spots and patting over the creases and the crevices. I need everything to be cohesive. It looks so good. I'm gagging. I look gorgeous. I look gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I think everything else, the lips is not gonna be Fenty because I don't have a nude from Fenty and I don't feel like a purple or a red is gonna like do it justice. So I'm gonna do my lips off camera. I'm gonna plot my wig on probably. I just twisted my hair, but like I'm feeling like a wig. So I'm gonna plot my wig on and then I will return so we can talk, okay? Ding, 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 ding. Okay, so this is the finished look and she came out looking good, honey. That primer is really good. Which one did I get? The soft silk. This is really, she's serving, she's giving, it's giving moisturized, it's giving smooth, it's giving that bitch, okay? It's giving all that. All right, period. But if you like this look and you enjoyed this video, having a little drink with me or whatever, then give this video a thumbs up if you didn't already. If you're not already subscribed, you didn't subscribe in the beginning. What you doing, boo? Get it together. But yeah, that's all I got for this video today. I ain't really talk about nothing. I ain't saying nothing. Let me know what you want to see next down in the comments below, okay? She's uploading more frequently coming up, period. No excuses. I mean, I got a little bit of excuses, but she's gonna upload more frequently. But yeah, that's it for this video today. So like I always tell you guys, I'm your girl Tiffany. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video.